wrench that I've had for a while. I apparently had left it outside and been there for quite some time, as you can tell. It's not totally seized right here. It will, barely turns, but it will turn. But it's pretty much rusted out. It's manufactured by Crescent Tool Company, Jamestown, New York. On this side, it's forged in crystalloy steel, made in the USA. So apparently it's quality. As far as I know, Crescent don't make any junk. So we're gonna soak this thing in for about 12 hours in evaporust. So the last tool I restored, I used vinegar. Did some research and they said this evaporust is pretty good, so we're going to try it. Okay, so this has been submerged in the evaporust, and so we're going to leave it in here for at least 12 hours, and then we'll be back and see what happens. Look at that. Not a speck of rust left on it. This stuff does work good. Now I did leave it in here about 24 hours more than I wanted to, so it's been here about 48 hours. I don't think that's made that much difference. But look at that. I mean, it just looks nice the way it is. But I'm still going to buff it. Still got to take this out and make sure it's free. But I'm really pleased is how it looks coming out of the, what is this stuff called? Evaporust. Stuff's good. Very pleased. I noticed there's a couple of marks on here. There's 2 marks here. There's 2 over here. The only thing that I can think of that might be for that was whoever previously owned this had it in a toolbox and marked it because that's how they identified it as their tool. Just speculation, but I think that's probably why. But look, you can read everything clear. There's a lot of gunk in there. Get all that cleaned out. I think it'll work perfect. Wire brush to clean that off. Got all that old gunk off of there. No resistance whatsoever. We'll let that sit for a little while. a little boogered up on here. I thought maybe I'd try to flatten it out. A little bit of lockdown on here. Well, there you have it. It's all shined up a little bit, as good as I could get it. It's all back together. And look at that. It just opens and closes just the way it's supposed to. Well, guys, thank you for watching. This was another fun thing to do. Restore this old wrench back to new again. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would, subscribe to the channel. The more subscriptions, the better it will be for me. But again, thanks for watching. Really a lot of fun to do this. I enjoy doing it. I hope you enjoy watching it. See you next time.